Hi everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Stylish Mehndi Designs, which is about latest Mehndi designs are intricate and artistic patterns created on the skin using henna paste. They are traditionally applied on the hands and feet for special occasions such as weddings, festivals, and religious ceremonies. Here are some popular Mehndi designs. 1. Arabic Mehndi design. This design features bold floral and paisley patterns, with lots of empty space to create a contrast effect. 2. Indian Mehndi design. This design is more detailed and intricate, featuring peacocks, elephants, and other traditional Indian motifs. 3. Moroccan Mehndi design. This design features geometric patterns and shapes, creating a striking and unique look. 4. Pakistani Mehndi design. This design features a combination of Arabic and Indian Mehndi styles, with intricate patterns and shapes. 5. Bridal Mehndi design. This design is the most intricate and detailed, covering the entire hand and arm, and sometimes even the feet and legs. It often includes personalized elements such as the bride and groom's initials or significant symbols. Mehndi designs can also be customized to include a variety of different elements and symbols, such as flowers, animals, and religious motifs, to create a unique and personalized look. Mehndi is an ancient form of body art that has been practiced for centuries in many cultures around the world, particularly in India, Pakistan, and the Middle East. The art of Mehndi involves using a paste made from the leaves of the henna plant to create intricate designs on various parts of the body, typically the hands and feet. In recent years, Mehndi has become increasingly popular as a form of temporary tattooing, particularly for special occasions such as weddings, festivals, and religious celebrations. If you're interested in learning more about the latest Mehndi designs, there are many great resources available on YouTube. Some popular types of Mehndi designs include traditional Indian designs, which often feature intricate paisley patterns and floral motifs. Arabic Mehndi designs are also popular, and typically feature larger, bolder designs with geometric shapes and often incorporate negative space. Contemporary Mehndi designs are a newer trend that often feature more minimalist designs and incorporate elements of modern graphic design. When creating a YouTube channel about Mehndi designs, you could showcase a variety of different styles and techniques, as well as provide tutorials and tips for applying Mehndi at home. You could also feature interviews with professional Mehndi artists and highlight the latest trends in the world of Mehndi. With a bit of creativity and a passion for this ancient art form, the possibilities are endless. Hi everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Stylish Mehndi Designs, which is about latest Mehndi designs.